Hey, what's up? Yesterday I did a tutorial on how to do the anti-obi spin, and you guys seem to really like that. However, I did get a lot of comments saying you got stuck on step 1, which was this, the basic twirl. So I figured I would break down that move in hopes to help some of you guys learn that first move, so that then you can move into doing more complex moves. So today we're going to break down the basic twirl. It's really simple and it's really essential for all basic lightsaber twirls. So what we're going to do is we're going to start with our saber in an upright position. Keep your arm steady and your wrist vertical just like your saber. All 5 of your fingers should be gripping your saber. When you begin your spin, you're going to drop these 3 fingers and just hold it with those 2 on top. Okay, so now you're only holding it with your pointer finger and your thumb. You're going to move your saber 90 degrees and your wrist is going to turn. You see that turn? See how my wrist turns? Once you get to the 90 degrees, you're 1/4 of the way there. You're then going to move it to the 180 position. When you move it to the 180, your palm is going to face upwards. Like that. Do you see that? I'll do it again. Like that. You see? I'm holding it between my thumb and my hand, if you can see that. It's right between my thumb and my hand because that's where I can spin it the most. Once you get down to this position, you're going to tap your saber like this and bring it back up. Now you're not wrapping it around your thumb, you're just turning your hand like this, okay? So you're turning your hand back to that starting position and letting it come through. The entire time, you're only using these 2 fingers. Like that, right? So if it helps, hold it vertical, drop the 3 fingers, keep your wrist very loose, your grip very loose, and just push it through. It's all about rotating your wrist. Do you see how my hand is rotating? Like that. And once you get that down, you can tighten your grip a little bit, and you can only drop your fingers when you're flicking it. So you flick it. You got that? Remember, keep it vertical and turn your wrist. Keep it between your thumb and your pointer, turn your wrist, like that. Once you get that down, you can start speeding it up, and you can start switching between hands. But that's a little bit more advanced. I hope that helped.